How to make money in 2022. If you want to be a rich young man, what can young people do to make a lot of money? Let's see. Selling and cooking your own dishes. Everyone loves good food and drink. If you have good cooking skill, good service, good idea, you can sell any kind of dish. You can cook on your own from home. You can sell it online. Video editing service. Must be proficient in video editing. The more people who watch your videos, the better your chances of making money. You need to create content that engages your customers on social media. So the only thing they will choose is videos. Creating web design. Websites are starting to be used by small and medium businesses. Create websites with your laptop at home and then you can connect with companies and find markets. Online training. Online learning has become more important since 2020. If you know how to cook, you can teach recipes. If you can draw, you can teach how to draw. If you know a language, you can teach it. All you need is having skills. Voiceover service. You need to read books. You need to do background recording on the video. All you need for this kind of service is a laptop and a microphone to record. Want young people to do it. Content service business. Businesses provide services for small and medium online shops. Create requirement business advertisements, photo designs, and videos for online shops and businesses. Playing video games. You know that gaming is different from the past. If you are good at playing games, you can reach the level of earning money. Nowadays, there are many degrees in gaming-related fields. Professional gamer available for sponsorship. You can also stand as a sport gamer. Publishing books. You write your own content that you want to share on Facebook page and websites. Publish your own book as the readership grows. They sell it as an ebook. They make good money. Creating YouTube channel. Every young person knows that a YouTube channel is a great source of income. Behind the scenes, there is a lot of effort. We have to make videos available on a regular basis. It's a long-term project that requires perseverance. Learn cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency. Like banknotes, but it can touch it. It is as valuable as gold and silver. Every young person should learn cryptocurrency. Avoid shortcuts to referrals and scams. It is recommended that you take a course and study systematically with your teacher.